Weather Authority local forecast.
Well, like we mentioned earlier in the broadcast, certainly getting a bit of a cloud pickup here in the desert Southwest, although you're starting to see the rays of the sun come out just a little bit in the Yuma area with your RV World Yuma Sky Cam, giving you a glimpse of the water towers and maybe some minute wind coverage. Really nothing too much to write in that particular department, at least not yet. Let's take a look at what we're seeing beyond this. As far as the west is concerned, there's a strips of cloud coverage. We're kind of continuing to get waves of it kind of passing through. We'll get a lighter wave within the next hour or so, and then we have an even thicker one coming its way as well. So we're expecting a partly to mostly cloudy sky as we get on into the overnight hours tonight. Now, temperatures as they stand right now, we're pretty much being divvied out with low to mid 70 conditions in the Imperial Valley with the exception of Ocotillo. And then you go further to the east over in Yuma County area, you can see a mixture of 70s and high-end 60s, especially over in eastern Yuma County. So pretty close to what we're seeing in the valley at this particular time. So here's the expectation today. Well, we certainly have had another, I guess you can say, push in the ridge department. This thing has blossomed a little bit, but temperatures, we really haven't felt it too much, so it's not a very strong ridge. But you can see this thing is going to flatten over the course of the next few days, so we are going to still be warmer than normal through that time, but still the ridge is going to lose its potency, and we'll start to get cooler as we get on into the weekend, not to mention have some semblance of wind coverage. For your Thursday, over in the Pacific Northwest, we're going to get another rain-snow mix with the latest system plowing its way through there. And of course, for your Metrocast, we're talking 60 degrees by 7 p.m. We should check in around the 52-degree mark by midnight. And then as we get up in the wee hours of the morning, by 7 a.m., we'll be in the high-end 40s. And for your Little Caesars extended forecast, we are going to continue to rise the mercury numbers to the high-end 70s for Friday. And then we take a little bit of a descent as we get on into the weekend and even beyond the fact. We'll start the week off next week on a cool note, and then we'll rise the temperature steadily to the point, folks, where we could actually get to 80 degrees in the Imperial Valley and possibly even the Yuma area as well. So yes, we're going to have our ups and downs, but again, at least at this point, we're not talking about anything adverse by any means.